Hi guys, John here, the Scottish Entrepreneur. This is just a quick video just to speak about Amazon Merc within the UK. Mercinform has actually just informed me that they are now opened up to the UK marketplace, so you can use a platform to search for keywords, trending phrases, just the same in the UK and also the German marketplace, as opposed to just the .com addresses. So going to have a wee quick look. Merc Hunter marketplace, it's right here, just click and you can change them. Like on the UK, I'm going to have a wee quick browse and see the differences. Also, I just want to say that the difference between Amazon.com and .co.uk, trying to find Merc products, it's not the same as going into novelty items, but I'll show you how to do that. It's a little bit different. So straight away you can see the t-shirt designs. So it's obviously different, it's a different marketplace, different buyers and different sellers, so there's some similarities of course. Just going to scroll through, see if we can see something that maybe even find trending. There's Kiss, they've got their own brand. On Amazon Merc, Grandma Shark. It's definitely different because I haven't actually seen any of these in the .com ones. Noisebot, Noise. So this right here, 113,000, 23 is the moving average, which is 23 monthly sales estimated. That is a lot of money, and it's just a very simple graphic t-shirt. Nice. I'm going to actually check this out. Okay, so we're on the .co.uk one, so I'll show you how you can find the Merc section. Just click up here, click on all, down to clothing, and then you click search. And just waiting to loading. Then you can see on the left hand side here, featured shops. At the very bottom, graphic t-shirt shop. That's it. Graphic t-shirt shop. It's not novelty, it's graphic t-shirt shop. It's pretty simple. You can see here, Shane Dawson of course. So this is how you can search for your keywords and your phases, etc. for Amazon Merc and the .co.uk one. So I'm going to check this Noise one out. It will be Noise. Let's see what we've got. 8 results for this graphic t-shirt shop. So they're all very simplistic. 187,000, 363,000, and it's just a black shirt saying Noise on it. 364,000. Wow. So it's got 8 designs. This is definitely something that can really trend. This can make you money. The only thing is that I'm not sure if the BSR is different for the .co.uk as opposed to .com. I'm saying this because obviously there's a lot more people staying in America, millions upon millions more, as opposed to in the UK, so I don't know if 187,000 is just as good as 187,000 within the American website. I'm pretty sure that 187,000 still is a really good BSR for the .co.uk marketplace, but I can't guarantee it. Although it's something you could probably very easily find out, just quick Google search. But apparently this one's selling, what was it, 23 per month for Noise. So it's definitely something I'd look into. Unfortunately I can't, I'm not opened up to the UK marketplace yet, I'm still stuck in the .com. Hopefully I'll be there soon enough, but for those that are in the UK marketplace, this is just a quick video to show you basically how you can search for it and search for keywords. So I think that's us done. Any questions, leave it in the comment box below. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, and if you're looking for any more content, then give us a subscribe. Thanks very much guys, see you later.